Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Substack as a writer. First, navigate to the Substack website and click Get Started to create your account. You will choose a name for your publication and a custom URL. This initial setup takes only a few minutes. Substack is designed to be intuitive, allowing you to focus on your content rather than complex website management. It's a straightforward process to begin sharing your writing with the world. Once your publication is set up, you can start creating your first post. The Substack editor is user-friendly, offering options for text formatting, adding images, and embedding videos or audio. You can draft your content, save it, and then choose to publish it immediately or schedule it for a future date and time. This flexibility helps you maintain a consistent publishing schedule, which is key for engaging your audience and growing your readership over time. Building an audience is crucial, and Substack provides several features to help. You can easily import an existing email list, bringing your current readers with you. Encourage interaction by enabling comments on your posts and hosting discussion threads. Many writers find success by collaborating with other Substack creators, cross-promoting each other's work to reach new potential subscribers. Consistency and engagement are vital for organic growth. Substack empowers writers to earn directly from their work. You can set up paid subscriptions, offering exclusive content or early access to your most loyal readers. Substack handles all payment processing, taking a 10% fee from paid subscriptions, meaning you keep 90% of your earnings. The platform also provides robust analytics, showing you subscriber growth, open rates, and engagement metrics, helping you refine your content strategy for maximum impact and income.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.